If one had asked Mr. Penguin, he would have said that this particular Wednesday was exactly like all the Wednesdays prior, and he began it the same way he... And he began it the same way he always did. He began it the same way he always did. When others' minds would... When others' minds would fantasize about their upcoming hunt, or even try to hold on to the taste of their last fish, Mr. Penguin just counted brush strokes. It was remarkable how the simple... It was remarkable how the simple act of getting dressed, so often taken for granted, would prove to be only the first of many obstacles in Mr. Penguin's new day.